Hi guys, it's Tony. Today we're in Wilkinson's, as you can see. So today I'm looking at the beer and wine, what they've got to offer. Right, so you've got various easy makeup kits. That's what's that one? Bitter, Mexican style, and you've got the other stuff. No, you can buy the bottles as well. I never see the point in buying bottles. I can always get them free. Then you got the fermented vessels. Give me an idea on price on them ones. They're £12, £9, 20. Alright. So then you got you got this as well, which is make your own wine guide. So we've got some more stuff there. We've got pressure barrels. I think that's overpriced, but you guys be the judge. And they've got some more sugar there. Is this light spray malt? This is just big kit enhancer. Right, and then you've got some pieces there. And what I am looking for is a demi-john cleaner. Unfortunately, this is a bottle cleaner. Now these are made in Italy actually. That's made in Germany because I've had them before. It's a wine in 100 litre plastic jar. These are really good. They're a really good idea. You can check the alcohol reading, and they've got other bits and bobs. Straining bag. Yeah, you can make your own for £8 out of muslin. Then this is something else, brewing sugar. For me, completely waste of money. You can use normal granulated sugar for 59p. And you've got beer finings. See, I don't brew beer, so I can't really say if anything's worth it. But I mean, carbonated top, £40. You've got, I don't know, yeast. So that's a look at the beer, guys. Let's go look at the wine now. And this is a wine making kit for £35. Now these have been on offer before. I've seen these for 15 in the sales. You've got all sorts of choices there. Then we're down to what I always get, which is things like corks. £3.50. These finings are really good. These finings went up to £1.25. That's cheeky. They were £1. Just noticed that. Grape juice. Totally waste of time. I never use that. And then we've got things that we need, which is yeast nutrient. You don't need yeast nutrient. That is a waste of money. Stabilizer. Never ever use stabilizer. And I see the point of it. Pectolase, you need pectolase because if you start brewing stuff like pear, you'll need all that, especially like cherry wine and stuff like that, apple wine.
We'll check when we go home if we've got time. I don't think we're actually going to have time.
So then you've got express compound, you don't need that. Formula to ferment quickly, that's another waste of money for me, never use it. Camden tablets, you need Camden tablets. I use it every time. It cleans the wine and obviously it stops fermentation. It just preserves it. Definitely get them. Citric acid, I don't use the citric acid at all. Used to, doesn't do anything. And then we're on to cleanser and sterilizer. Fred and Flo from Tesco does exactly the same, 60p, they were 25. Again. Then you're down to the wine bottles, which you can get for free if you know somebody. And then we're down to the demi-johns, which I've seen these for £6. So that's a quick look at that, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.